Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Blurry photos usually come from three core problems: movement, light, and focus. Camera shake happens when shutter speed is too slow for handholding. Low light causes the camera to use slower shutter speeds or higher ISO. Higher ISO adds noise and may not fix blur from movement. Autofocus misses happen when contrast is low or subjects move suddenly. Subject motion blur appears when people or cars move faster than the shutter speed. Understanding these causes helps you pick the right fix quickly. First, stabilize the camera using a tripod, table, or wall for support. When handholding, set shutter speed to at least 1 over the focal length. For example, use 1/50s for a 50 mm lens on a full-frame sensor. If light is low, open the aperture by 1 or 2 stops to gather more light. Alternatively, increase ISO until you reach a usable shutter speed while watching noise levels. Use steady breathing and a 2-second timer to eliminate finger movement during capture. For moving subjects, switch to continuous autofocus or use servo mode to track motion. For still subjects, use single-point AF or manual focus with magnified live view. Enable focus peaking if your camera or app offers that feature. If an image is already blurry, process the raw file with deconvolution sharpening and shake reduction tools. Apply corrections incrementally and avoid over-sharpening, which causes halos and noise amplification. Save a copy and compare adjustments to ensure detail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.